Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to do a simple drink, carrot and beetroot, and I'm going to use condensed milk to sweeten it. However, you can sweeten it with sugar and then you add lime juice to it as well if you prefer it that way, but I want condensed milk in mine. So okay, so what I did was to use the scraper and to carefully remove the peelings from the carrots. If you don't want to remove the peelings, that's your business, but you don't want it on for me. Okay, so I washed the carrots before, and then I remove the heads and the tip as well. So I'm going to use one beetroot. You use the amount of beetroot that you want to use. It depends on how pink you want the drink to be. And this beetroot was already peeled, and I want my beetroot to peel. If you don't want to peel your beetroot, don't peel it, but I don't want my one peel. Cause if you know me, you know say I'm gonna wash this thing again, right? And this is optional, but it is just me, understand? I'm not using no gloves, Rasta. You understand? I'm not using any gloves because I notice a lot of people all of a sudden I tell people about gloves. I use gloves in Jamaica, man, unless I work in a food and the food industry where I serve public food, but I'm yard, I don't use no gloves. My hands them clean. Everything clean. So as long as I don't serve public food, I don't use no gloves. You know, some I watch a man make dumpling with gloves and piece of gloves all tear. Gloves all tear, me fi say. And piece all making a dumpling and he no see it. Yeah, so I don't know, I cut up a carrot. You know, and this is just to help it blend the blade. Or the blender's blade. Never the count the amount of carrots so I use no, but got to count it. But a good amount, that's around 12 or 10. Alright, hope you can see what's going on. It's a bit dark. Alright, so I went ahead and I added some of the carrots and beetroot into the blender with enough water to cover them. So now I am going to blend on high speed until everything is well smooth. Pull it and I'm going to pour it into a container. I'm going to have the remaining carrot and beetroot. So now I'm going to pass this through a strainer. At this point, you can add a bit of lime juice to this and sweeten it with honey or sugar, whatever pleases you, and you can drink it. But me not like it like this. You understand, me like it when it is sweetened with condensed milk. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna pour enough condensed milk into the container to sweeten it, and the amount to sweeten it please my taste. And as you can see, the color changes to somewhat pink. Spice it up, put a little vanilla, about half teaspoon, or vanilla is the correct word. And I also gonna put some nutmeg, about around quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. Give it another stir. Yeah, this is it. Carrot and beetroot, Jamaican style. So people, I am gonna pour some of this delicious drink into a glass. But here's the thing, I do not like my carrot and beetroot served with ice. I rather to put it into the fridge or into the freezer and let it chill. So that's what I'm gonna do. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna pour it into this glass.